This is an interesting elevator. Look at that call button.
Yeah, that's cool.
I might as well film this one.
Oh, look at that cat.
Installed in 1959, modernized in 2006. This was installed in 1959.
Oh, nice.
I would say this is definitely a tasteful mod.
Oh, yeah. That's cool.
Oh, can you see it up there?
Yeah, you can.
Wow,
I get all that
nice.
too. Yeah, you can see the red bricks.
Yeah, I saw it too.
Is that good? Here, I'm gonna get off and switch.
Yeah, sure. I want to get a view of these fixtures. Alright, I might go for it. Alright, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get off this thing now.